how to fix live access is needed to go live as a guest on TikTok. So if you want to fix live access is needed to go live as a guest on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening, go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. From the profile, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now you need to scroll down and tap on report a problem. Under report a problem, you need to go with your submit tickets, or you can just simply go and select an option. I'll go with live, and under live you can go with hosting live or something like that, and go with how to start a live. And once you're here, you need to go with no, where it says is your problem resolved. Tap on no and tap on need more help. That's it. Now you can go with your support ticket, or it will take you to report a problem page, from where you'll be able to send a report to TikTok. You can tell your feedback and chat with live support in order to fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.